Hello everyone, so today I am going to try and show you how to make a thumbnail. This is called photopea. It's kind of like Photoshop, but it's online. You don't have to pay for anything. So we're just going to make a new project here. And I actually use like wallpapers to make the background. So, hold up. File, new. So you can make it a white background, black background, custom, or transparent. We're going to use transparent, hit create, go to file, open in place. Let me see here. Which one was it? I think this was it. Open. And there's your background. We're going to go up here and click this to lock it down. So this works with PNGs. What PNGs are is, you know, those photos with an image and it has this like a checkered looking thing there? That's a PNG. So we're going to take a file, open it and place it again. Where was that one I found? There it is. Here it is. So not every PNG image is going to work with this, but this one does. You just have to kind of test them to find out which ones do. Now we can shrink this down. We can rotate it around if we want to. Okay, let's shrink it down a little bit more. Now if you want to actually drag this somewhere, click on this and you can just move it around at that size. So let's just put this in the corner here. And now we're going to make some text. Oh my gosh, I can't freaking talk. Go up here, change the color. Make it something nice and bright. Hit OK. And this controls the size of it. So let's go with 102. There we go. Click on this and we can move it around wherever you want. Double click it like that and it highlights it. And then we can go to our fonts and like change different fonts. There's other things you can do with this too, like let me see here. Where is it at? There we go. You double click that and this comes up. We can go to like gradient overlay, click on this, click this. Now right now it's like black and white pretty much. So say we wanted to make it a different color, you double click that, put it on that, and click OK. Then click OK again, close this out. Did it actually do it or not? Can't really tell with that kind of font. You can also just right click this, hit blending options, and pull it up too. So we want to go to gradient overlay, double click it. So it did apply it, it looks like. Let's go with easier to see different color. Let's go with like bright green so you can see the difference a little bit. Hit OK. Hit OK. Hit OK again. And you can see the colors are blended now. So yeah, you can use this in a lot of different ways. You could literally like take your own pictures from like a game, slap it on there, make sure it's saved as a PNG. Then you could end up doing like adding images and stuff to it. This stuff works in layers. So like your game screenshot in the background, Then you click that one button that was a check mark up there for it. You can add text to it and alter that altogether by itself. You can add an actual image, and if I'm not mistaken, blending options. You can even apply a gradient overlay to the image of that money bag. So say, let's not do the same color. Let's do something different. Go to white and green. Hit OK. Hit OK again. And one more time. Now the money bags change color. So yeah, there's a lot of different things that you can do with this, and it's really great for making videos. Now, say this is what you want to do and that's your thumbnail. I'm not saying that your quality is going to be like that. I'm sure you can do better than that. You just have to figure out how to do everything, which is trial and error. Honestly, it really is. So there's a ton of different things you can do with this. But say you want to save that. So we would go to export as PNG. Yeah, that's not what it's going to end up looking like, not that, but it'll show like back there. Hit save. It'll download the image. Click this, show in folder. Grab it out and just throw it onto your desktop. Really, really simple and straightforward. I hope this actually ends up helping some of you guys, because I know it's a pain trying to find a good thumbnail maker, and this thing totally fits the bill on that. There's so much you can do with it. I'm pretty much scratching the surface on it, but it's a good, simple, fast example of what you could do with it. I do hope you guys enjoyed this. If you found it useful at all, subscribe, comment, and I hope you have a great day.